Hello everyone. So in today's video we will unbox a Logitech C922 Pro HD camera stream web camera, which is a 9-year-old web camera. So it does only 1080p, which is an HD 30 FPS, which is totally enough for me in 720. Oh, it's hard, man. Okay, so it does 60 fps if you go down with the resolution. I am not messing around with the unboxing too much. As you can see, I just throw it away and moved it out, and it's pretty heavy compared to other web cameras what I had in the past. It seems that it's really good quality. There is a tripod in this version, and it was mandatory for me that I will have a tripod. It was not at the moment when I had purchased, it was not really really overpriced compared to the non-tripod version, but it's good to have a tripod with it. And moving a bit further, once you attach the tripod, then it's easy to attach, and then it's time to test it. Let's see what kind of image quality it is giving back, and what is my honest opinion. This is not paid by Logitech, so I can be brutally honest as usual. So this is about the image quality, what you get, and the sound, which I'm not using my HyperX microphone at the moment. I'm using the Logitech one. As you can see, I was only able to make the square format. I haven't spent really too much time, and that's the clarity. So this is the 50 cent, like I don't get any light, but let's see the focus. Okay, not really focusing on it, but it does a pretty good job with the face. And if I let some light in, then it looks like that. And if I turn on my other light, then it's pretty acceptable. It is something what it was worth for me, and looking forward to see that camera, how it is behaving and working. If you think that video was helpful for you, smash that like button, hit the subscribe. It is not a must, just if you really think you want to see similar videos in the future, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day. So it's February 2025, and I'm using a web camera. Seriously, like how is it's okay. So to be honest, it's a pretty good web camera compared that this is 9-year-old camera, and it was a bit expensive, to be honest, compared that to 9-year-old camera. Like it was $80, 80 euros, somewhere in between, like 80, 90. But still, it's of good picture quality, and it's good for video conferences, better than your laptop camera, definitely. And I have a Lenovo Yoga i9 and the latest generation, so you can decide.